nitrogen is 7, nitrogen's atomic mass is 40, and for phosphorus, phosphorus is 15, its atomic mass is 30.95. For arsenic, its atomic mass is its atomic mass is 33, and its atomic number is 33 and atomic mass is 74.92. For bismuth, its atomic mass is 83. So let me write from first. Actually, nothing happened. So look at it. Nitrogen atomic number is 7, its atomic number is 14. Phosphorus, its atomic number is 15 and its atomic mass is 30.97, and its atomic mass is 30.97. And for arsenic, its atomic number is 33. Its atomic number is 33 and its atomic mass is 74.92. For Sb, its atomic number is 51 and its atomic mass is 121.75. For bismuth, for bismuth its atomic number is 83 and its atomic mass is 208.93. Nitrogen atomic is 7 and its mass is 14. Phosphorus atomic number is 15 and its mass is 30.97. For arsenic, its atomic number is 33 and its atomic mass will be 74.92. For arsenic, then Sb, that is antimony. For antimony, its atomic number is 51 and its atomic mass is 121.75. So bismuth atomic mass is 121.75, and for bismuth, its atomic number is 83 and atomic mass will be 208.93. Phosphorus 15, 30.97. Arsenic 33. Atomic mass is 74.92. For Sb, means antimony, its atomic number is 51 and its atomic mass will be 121.75. And for bismuth 83, 208.93. So for nitrogen, its atomic number is 7, atomic mass will be 14. For phosphorus, atomic number is 15, atomic mass will be 30.97. For arsenic, its atomic number is 33 and its atomic mass will be 74.92. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, then antimony, that is indicated by Sb. Its atomic number is 51 and its atomic mass will be 121.75, and for bismuth its atomic number is 83 and its atomic mass will be 208.93. For Sb it will be, its atomic mass will be 121.75, and for moscovium its atomic mass is 289 and its atomic number will be 115. Okay, now about electronic configuration. For nitrogen, its electronic configuration will be 2s2, 2s2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3. Now for phosphorus, its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s, 1s2, nitrogen is 15, phosphorus is 15, then it will be 1s2, 2s2, 56, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. So for phosphorus, its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3, and 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the electronic configuration of neon. So we can also write like this: neon Ne, that is 10, and 3s2 means 12, and 3p3, that is 15. Okay. For arsenic atomic number is 33, and that will be -2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 10, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 19, 20, 20 plus 10, 22, then 22 plus 6, 26, 27, 28, 32, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 12 plus 6, 18, 18, 19, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, and 30 plus 2, 30 plus 3, 33. Those who are new, please subscribe my channel and give one like to my life. Six, 7, 8, 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 18, 19, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 36, plus 1, 38, 38 plus 10, 48, 48 plus 6, 11, 12, 14, 54, 48, 50, 50, 41, 5p3 close to 49 years. Now for bismuth, Bi is 83, and according to that, Ionization enthalpy for E1, that will be for nitrogen 1402, 1402, that is phosphorus 1400 to 1402. For nitrogen it will be 1402. For phosphorus ionization enthalpy will be 1012. For arsenic it will be 947, 834, and bismuth will be 703. The unit of the ionization enthalpy will be kg mole to the power minus 1. Kg mole to the power minus 1. For nitrogen, ionization enthalpy will be 1402. For phosphorus, it will be 112. For arsenic, it will be 947. For Sb, it will be 834. For bismuth, it will be 703. Phosphorus will be 112. Arsenic will be 947. For arsenic it will be 947. For Sb it will be 834. For bismuth it will be 703. 1402, 112, 947, 834, 703. So the ionization enthalpy of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth will be, it will be in decreasing order: the nitrogen and phosphorus, arsenic, bismuth, and arsenic, antimony, bismuth. For ionization 2, it will be nitrogen, then phosphorus, then arsenic, then bismuth, then antimony. Then decreasing order: nitrogen is maximum, then phosphorus. Biological classification. Linnaeus, the scientist named Linnaeus has discovered two kingdom classifications where he had said about the name of the classifications are Plantis and Animalia. R.H. Whitaker had discovered five kingdom classifications and he included Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plant and Animalia. What's about Monera? Monera is prokaryotic and prokaryotic, pro means primitive. Okay? And so Linnaeus had discovered two kingdom classification. First one is Plantae and second one is Animalia. R.H. Whitaker had discovered five kingdom classification in 1969 and he said about Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Plantae means plants and Animalia means animals. So let's read about Monera. Monera is prokaryotic. Pro means primitive and karyotic means nucleus, like that. So pro means primitive, that means before. So before nucleus there is undifferentiated or not developed, not well developed nucleus. So its cell wall type is prokaryotic and its cell wall is non-cellulosic, and non-cellulosic includes polysaccharide plus amino acid. Nuclear membrane is absent there. Obviously it is prokaryotic, that's why its nuclear membrane is absent, and body organization is cellular, and its mode of nutrition will be autotrophic, that includes chemosynthetic and photosynthetic, and then heterotrophic, that includes saprophytic and parasitic. Now let's read about Protista. Protistas are much developed than Monera. That means it includes the eukaryotic, but it's single cell only. So it's single cell eukaryotic organism. In Protista, they have cell wall, means some Protista have cell wall, not all Protista have cell wall. Membrane, obviously they are eukaryotic, so they have a well defined nucleus, so they have nuclear membrane nucleus and nuclear membrane organelle also. Then the mode of nutrition will be autotrophic, that includes only photosynthetic, and then heterotrophic. Now for fungi, what about fungi? Fungi is a eukaryotic organism. Fungi cannot make their own food, so they are heterotrophic. Though they can't make their own food, obviously they will depend on someone. So they are saprophytic and parasitic. Saprophytic means they draw the nutrition from the dead organisms, okay? And parasitic means they draw the nutrition from any host cell or host organism, that is parasitic. And their body organization is multicellular and loose tissue. Nuclear membrane is present in some. So what about fungi? Fungi cell type is eukaryotic and it has cell wall, but it's not its cell wall is not made with the cellulose. Because plants have cell wall and fungi doesn't have cell wall. Cell wall is made with the help of cellulose. So fungi cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharide. Body organizations will be multicellular and loose tissue, and mode of nutrition will be heterotrophic, that is parasitic and saprophytic. Cell wall is absent. Cell walls are absent in many organisms like Animalia, Amoeba, Paramecium, then Mycoplasma. The cell wall are absent in many organisms like Animalia, Amoeba, Paramecium, and Mycoplasma. Amoeba. So Animalia means the animals. So we are the animals. We don't have any cell wall. So Animalia, Amoeba, Paramecium, and Mycoplasma, they don't have cell wall within themselves. So two kingdom classification did not distinguish between eukaryotes and prokaryotes, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic, and unicellular and multicellular. So two kingdom classification did not distinguish between the eukaryotes and prokaryotes, multicellular and unicellular, then photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic. So photosynthetics are green algae and non-photosynthetics are fungi. The main criteria for classification will be cell structure, nature of cell wall, mode of nutrition, phylogenetic means the evolutionary relationship, and method of reproduction. Cell structure, nature of cell wall, mode of nutrition, evolutionary relationship, and mode of reproduction. Cell structure, nature of cell wall, mode of nutrition, evolutionary relationship, and mode of reproduction. Examples of algae are Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Heterotrophic group example is fungi, and autotrophic group example is green plants. Heterotrophic group example is fungi, and heterotrophic means those who cannot make their own foods. That example is fungi, and autotrophic group example is green plant. So fungi cell wall is made up of chitin and polysaccharide. Green plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. So fungi cell wall is non-cellulosic. It is made up of chitin and polysaccharide. And green plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay. So now let's read about Monera. Monera indicates that monedas it includes bacteria only. So bacteria are the sole members of Monera. They are the most abundant or microorganism. Most abundant means they are of large amount. So they are the most abundant microorganisms. Bacteria occur almost everywhere because they have high metabolic rate. They have extensive metabolic rate. Hundreds of bacteria present in handful of soil. So when we take one handful of soil, we will find hundreds of bacteria, not thousands of bacteria. It can come in MCQ. So hundreds of bacteria present in handful of soil. Bacteria can live in harsh and extreme habitat like hot deserts, snows, deep oceans, and hot deserts, spring, deep oceans, and snow, etc. Many of them live in or on other organisms that are parasitic. Many of them live in or on other organisms. Many of them live in or on other organisms that are parasitic. So few bacteria are actually autotrophic and maximum bacteria are heterotrophic. The mode of nutrition of bacteria are photosynthetic autotrophic, then chemosynthetic autotrophic, and heterotrophic. For heterotrophs do not synthesize their own food, they depend on other organisms or on dead organic matters, parasitics or decomposers. There are four shapes of bacteria. First one is the spiral, second one is the rod shape, third one is the comma shape, and fourth one is the spherical shape. First one is the spherical shape, second one is the rod shape, third one is the comma shape, fourth one is the spiral shape. So the spherical shape bacteria's name is coccus and its plural form will be cocci. Rod shape bacteria's name is bacillus, that is bacillus, its singular form, and its plural form will be bacilli. Comma shape bacteria is vibrio, that is its singular form is vibrio and plural form will be vibrio. And for spiral shape bacteria it will be spirillum and its plural form will be spirilla. So bacteria are of two types. First one is archaebacteria and second one is the eubacteria. So archaebacteria live in harsh habitat. Archaebacteria lives in harsh habitat. Examples: they are halophiles because they can live in salty areas. They are thermoacidophiles. Thermo means heat, so they can live in hot spring. And for methanogens, they can live in marshy areas. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria because of different cell wall structure. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria because of different cell wall structure. Methanogen can live in the gut of several ruminant animals. Okay, methanogen can present in the gut of several ruminant animals. Methanogen can survive in the gut of the several ruminant animals. So examples of ruminant animals are cows and buffaloes. They are responsible for the production of biogas that contains the methane from the dung of the animals. So what is eubacteria or true bacteria? It is a true bacteria. It has a rigid cell wall, and if motile, it has flagella. So eubacteria is a true bacteria. It has rigid cell wall, and if motile, they have flagella. So what is cyanobacteria? Cyanobacteria is the blue-green bacteria, and it is photosynthetic autotrophs. It is unicellular, it is colonial, and it is filamentous. It is found in freshwater, marine water, or terrestrial form. It often from blooms in the polluted areas. Cyanobacteria, they are the heterocysts because some of the organisms can fix nitrogen in specialized cells, that are the heterocysts. Example of cyanobacteria are that can fix nitrogen, that is Anabena nostril. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria are oxidize various inorganic substrates, that is nitrites, nitrates, and nitrates and ammonia. Nitrites, nitrates, and ammonia. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria use the released energy for their ADP production. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria use the release energy. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria use the released ADP energy for the released energy for ADP production. Chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria use the released energy for ADP production. They play great role in recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, then sulfur. What is heterotrophic bacteria? These are the most abundant bacteria in nature. Majority of the heterotrophic bacteria are the decomposers, and majority of them have significant impact on human affairs. So bacteria are not only harmful for humans, they also play a very important role, like they help in making curd from milk, they help in production of antibiotics, they help in fixing nitrogen in the legumes root, and some of the pathogens cause damage to the human beings also, right, like cholera, tetanus, typhus, and citrus canker. So bacterial reproductions, bacterial reproduction is mainly through fission, and sometimes under unfavorable conditions they can reproduce with the help of the spores. So the bacterial reproduction is mainly through fission, and under unfavorable conditions they reproduce with the help of the spores. So what about mycoplasma? Mycoplasma has many specialties because it can survive without oxygen and it lacks cell wall. It is the smallest thing, and mycoplasma are pathogenic because it found in both plants and animals. Now let's read about Protista. It has the single cell. Protista are 5 types. They are Chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, iguanoids, slime mold, and protozoans. Chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, iguanoids, slime mold, and protozoans. Chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, iguanoids, slime mold, and protozoans. So protista, it has single cell, it is 5 types. Protista has membrane bound organelle. Protista is eukaryotic, it is singular cell, it has membrane bound organelle. It is primarily aquatic and it has cilia and flagella. Reproduction of protista is it reproduces asexually with the help of cell fissions, and it reproduces sexually by zygote formation. So there are two types of reproduction. First one is asexually with the help of cell fission, and sexually with the help of zygote formation. So now for chrysophytes, it developed diatoms and golden algae. Desmids are the golden algae, and most of them are photosynthetic. Diatom cell wall, two thin overlapping cells which can fit into the soap box. They are embedded within the silica. Their cell wall are indestructible. Diatomaceous earth soil used in polishing and filtration of oil and filtration of syrup. What is diatoms? Diatoms are chrysophytes. Diatoms are the chief producers of oceans. They are found in fresh water, that is marine environment. Let's revise physics. What you've read about physics? So, water conductors. Thanks for joining me live. I will resume within 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. So thank you.